Hello, my dear children. Very good afternoon. You're most welcome in class 11th Accountancy. I, R.R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, is going to explain the balance sheet of question number 14. Because of that, the income statement of these questions has been sent for the sake of you in previous video. So the balance sheet of this question through the information given in your textbook, I would like to explain. First, we have to draw the format of balance sheet this way, my dear. This is the format of drawing this way, and the amount column, then the head liabilities, balance sheet. This is the steps involving. First, balance sheet of the name of the company as at in questions the information given as at 31st March 2017. This is the amount column, and this one is the assets, amount, liabilities. Liabilities, and go through the information given in the textbook. Whatever the information given, just with the help of the information, you can solve, you can record all the items in liabilities and assets column. First, we have to go through the liabilities column. Capital. Capital, that is given 2,03,000. 3,000. At net profit ascertained at net profit plus 37,296. 37,296. Then 296 04. 2,40,296. Then go through the whether the drawing given. Drawing, goodwill, land and building, tools, bills receivable, purchase, carriage, coal, salary, discount, cash in hand, sundry debtors, repair, printing and stationery, advertisement, investment. Drawing 15,000. Less drawing. The steps involving whatever the money withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use. minus 15,000 is equal to 2,25,296. That will be the capital of the firm. Then after bills payable, given bills payable 13,800. Then sundry creditors, that is given 30,000. Rest of the item go through the additional information. Closing stock, depreciate, provide discount on only 3 quarters rent has been paid, the last quarter's rent being outstanding. Outstanding rent, that is 900. Then after interest earned but not received, write off 1/4 of the advertisement expenses. So dear children, go through the asset column. Goodwill 30,000, goodwill 30,000, land and building 60,000, land and building 60,000, plant and machinery, 5%, 40,000. This one is the question number 15. That is the question number 15, balance sheet. 40,000 less depreciation. Depreciation minus 2,000 is equal to 38,000. Loose tools, loose tools 3,000 less depreciation, that is given 15%, 450 is equal to 29,550. Then after bills receivable, Bills receivable given 2000. Stock purchase, carriage inward, coal, salaries, rent, discount, cash at bank, cash in hand. Cash, bank, 25,000. Cash that is given 1,400. Sundry debtors that is given 45,000 less provision no information given 5% bad debts on doubtful debts, 5% debtors 45, then 45,000 into 5 upon 100, 0 minus 2,250, 0, 5, 7, 2, 42,750 less discount, provision for discount, less discount 2.5%. 2.5% discount will be 0 after deducting the amount of bad debts. Just we can calculate the seven 42,750 into 5 by 2 into 1 upon 100, 0, 4, 4 1 ja 4, 0, 1,069 41,681. Just we can write over here. Now you can see that will be the amount of debtors. Then after repair, printing and stationery, advertisement that is given 3,500 less write off, less written off in profit and loss account, written off 1/4 875 equal to 5 2 6 2625. Furniture and fixture, that is 5% also. Furniture that is given 1200 minus 60. 1200 minus 60, that is the depreciation, equal to 1140. Then after investment that is given 5000. Then after closing stock 60,000. Closing stock 60,000. 60,000. Now you can see, my dear, $60,000. Then after other interest on but not received, accrued interest, accrued interest 600. The rest is okay. All the information adjusted in balance sheet also. The total of this column you can find, that will be the 2,69,996. 2,69,996. Again, this has been explained for the sake of you, dear, and in the series of video, everything will be explained for the sake of you, how the steps involving preparing the balance sheet of any question. Again and again, as you send me the problem, I will explain everything, every bit of steps involving in preparing the balance sheet of the profit making organization. Okay, keep on watching. Thank you very much.